All right, guys, we are going into um, some big earnings events tonight, and I just wanted to review some of the setups we had here today in the Nasdaq before this earnings event. Just talk about those higher time frame targets and really how you can prepare yourself. So anytime there's earnings, you want to be aware of an increased level of volatility, which we've seen over the last few days. We had one of the biggest moves down on the prior day. Off the open, 237 points on the opening candle. Pretty big move down here as well, relative to the ranges we've been in, 114 off the open. But for the last 2 days, it's been a move off the open, basically down for 20 minutes, and then that's it. And it's been really clean setups to the upside. The room, setup trading Discord has been able to take advantage of that. There's been a couple of people that have passed their funded trader tests just in the last few days because these moves are clean and they're running to targets and they're given multiple entries. For the first time in a while, we really have some pretty good volatility, and that volatility is coming with the back of the earnings events and, of course, whatever headlines are. So off the open, I was long bias, even though yesterday, if you look at a daily candle, we ended up lower. But the majority of the money that I made yesterday was to the long side, just trading halfway backs. And really the same thing here again today. I did start off my day with a stop out on this big move down, but we did the exact same thing. And when I was live in the room, you can actually look back at my YouTube video this morning. I was talking about we came down, we got crushed off the open, and then we rolled over two targets after trading it halfway back. We did the same thing here today. It's been basically the exact same playbook day after day. We swift moved down off the open. We traded a 50% or trades in short, ran that to target, and that was it. But really, once that had completed, we were, back to the upside here. And then I'm going to give you an example of some price action points that would have shown you to confirm this bottom here. We had, first of all, this is our lower level of support resistance, this green line here. It's a code I have. We rejected below it. So we're below it, we're below, we drive below it, we reject below it. We have a fair value gap down, which is really our first fair value gap since the open. And the confirmation is the move back above this, and then the break of I call this the lower mid. So we break above the lower mid, we invert the fair value gap, and then really this was the first great long here, unless you were, picking lows, which you could have done. We basically came back in a retest of yesterday's support. But all we did was we swept the overnight low, which you can see by this dotted green line. When you sweep an overnight low, or whether it be an overnight low, a previous day's low, and you don't get much continuation, I always set a timer and be aware of like 25-minute cycles. So here we sweep it at 9:25. So by 10:10, that is the low. We literally cycle lower for 25 minutes, and then 25 minutes later, past 10:10 is going to be 10:35, and that's when our rotation began higher. I was able to capture this long. We ended up rotating higher. I got long again inside of this fair value gap. We did dip lower, but we ended up rotating up. And as we go into the earnings event, let me just explain a couple of profit targets I have on the higher time frame and what I think we're going to do. One, if they're bad, I think we're going to be retesting what is Tuesday's lows, and that's going to be 23,130. That will be a support level I'm anticipating. If they're good, we're going to get a rocket ship up into 23,450. So good earnings, we're looking for a move up to 23,450. Bad earnings, we're looking for a move to 23,130 and potentially as low as 23,050. Don't think we're going to get that low, but of course, with the earnings events, anything can happen. Don't trade after the close. And then make sure you guys are here to check out my video in the morning as I pre-plan the day, help you guys navigate these markets. Please give me this video a thumbs up, and I'm going to continue to provide you guys some educational content. Take care, and I'll see you tomorrow.